Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to change your Messenger username on your iPhone running iOS 18 and later versions. Whether you're looking for something more personal or simply want to change, this guide will show you exactly how it's done. Let's get started. First things first, locate the Messenger app on your iPhone and tap on it to launch. Make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see the menu icon. It usually looks like three horizontal lines or your profile picture. Tap on this icon. A side menu will now appear. From this menu, find and tap on Settings. This will take you to your Messenger account settings. Within your Messenger settings, you'll see a list of different options. Scroll down until you find Username. Once you've located it, tap on Username. On the next screen, you'll see your current username displayed. Tap on the username field. This will allow you to edit the existing text. Go ahead and replace it with your new preferred username. Once you've finished typing your new username, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a Save button. Tap on Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your Messenger username has now been successfully changed. You should now see your new username reflected in your Messenger profile URL. Additionally, this change is also visible on your Facebook profile URL. If you ever wish to change your username again in the future, simply repeat the same steps we've just covered. Navigate back to your Messenger account settings and enter the new username you'd like to use. It's that simple. And that brings us to the end of this quick guide on how to change your Messenger username on your iPhone with iOS 18 and later versions. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.